Okay, good morning children. How are you all? Hope you are enjoying the activities we are posting on YouTube and we are sending it to you on WhatsApp also. Today we are going to do an activity which is best out of waste. This is a cold drink bottle, okay, which is useless now. Normally people used to use this for drinking water storage purpose, but it is harmful for the health. Now it is being thrown away. But if you are throwing it out, it will take more than 500 years to get into the mud, turn into a mud. So it is very dangerous to the atmosphere. So what to do now? We cannot throw. So we can recycle these things. Now this type of boxes you can use as pencil stands or something like that. Okay. Now I'll teach you how to use one article from this. Come on, shall we do? All of you? All the required material today is one water bottle, okay, this bottle, and a picture of anything. You can make a picture also, you can cut from ready-made picture somewhere, one color paper, scissor, some colored piece of papers, Fevicol, and these pebbles, okay, stones like this, or you can use sand also to fill that. How to use all these things to make a pen stand, beautiful pen stand, or a decorative article at home? I'll tell you, show you. Now this is the bottle. You can cut it from somewhere here, okay, one small cutter with the help of blade or something. You give it like that. Afterwards you can use the scissor to cut it, okay. Okay, now this is the bottle. You can trim it. Suppose if it has not come properly, you can trim that on the top and make it beautiful, nice like this. Okay, now the second line, you can see there are some 3-4 lines like this here. Till the second line you can cut it even at some 1 centimeter cuts you can give like this. Parents can help the children, small children, to do this, okay. Little bigger ones, those who can handle scissor and all, they can try on their own. Request to the parents, we always take extra precaution when we are giving the scissor to the children, but my suggestion is let them use. Unless they use that, they will not learn to be careful with the sharp things. So you have to allow them to use this thing to a certain extent, always, I feel. Okay, now things are ready. Now these pieces you can fold it outside here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. See, you can fold it. Since you have cut, then it can be nicely, you have to press it, okay. See, this is a little bigger bottle I have taken to show it so that it will be very clear to you all. You can take a little smaller, half-liter bottle also, okay. See, correct? This is the thing. Now to make it look beautiful, you can use, to enhance the beautification, you can pause. You can take this type of small pieces, of square pieces of paper, colorful papers also you can use, Okay, now the simple things I am teaching. You can use thermocol balls if they are available at your place. Thermocol balls also. Otherwise, you can use this type of small piece of papers. Okay, which can be placed exactly on this, like this. Okay, now the alternative. Next one is yellow. Next one is again, alternate. You can place them like this. Here. Next one is, sorry. Like this. Now you can use a picture like this. This is I have done, or you can use a ready picture also of scenery or some other thing, some cartoons. You can fold it nicely and place it inside here. Okay, it's coming it bit extra. इसका size का ही होना चाहिए. Before that, you can, whatever the size you have cut, of that size, bottle, you can keep same bottle and make a circle of that, and on the line you cut it off, cut this on the line. Okay, now these pebbles we can fill inside. This will give the sturdiness, otherwise when you put the pencil it will get tilted and it may fall. So if you are using this and it's properly filled with the pebbles, okay, to a certain extent it may not fall, and you can place this paper on that. Okay, so that your pencil or whatever the pens, ball pens. After putting the pebbles, now this is the paper you have cut from here. Now this paper you have to place it properly inside, and it so that, see, like this a platform is being made. Otherwise, when you are putting the pencil, it may go inside. Now it will be standing here like this. Okay, so this is how, and you can put this picture. This is bit tall, it has become. You have to measure accordingly. Okay, this picture you can fold it around like this and place it inside properly this way. Okay, now see this, it will look so beautiful, nice from all sides. You can stick it also properly. You can stick it and make it firm there, firmly fits in there. Okay, now this is beautiful. You can put your pencils, ballpoint pens, other things, and you keep it as a piece of art inside. So this way, instead of throwing the bottle, you can recycle these things and make a beautiful article to keep at your place. Ready? This way you can keep the things, you can keep it in a shelf nicely. See, I have made one more article like this. You can make paper flowers. This I will show you in the next video. This type of flowers or anything you can make, and so many things you can make and keep it in your bookshelf or in the table or in the corners in the house, so that these things, instead of harming the nature, they can be utilized properly for the beautification of your study room. I hope you all will enjoy this. Take care. All the best.